To start the bok choy, cut them in half and set aside. If you are using baby bok choy, you can either leave them whole or cut them in half. Be sure to rinse them quite well, especially in between the leaves as they can be quite dirty. Heat a wok or large fry pan over medium-high heat and add the oils. The sesame oil adds a delicious and unique taste to many Asian dishes. That being said, don't use too much because it can also be quite overpowering. Once the oil is hot, add the bok choy and turn the heat down to medium. There are a lot of varieties of bok choy, but I love baby bok choy because it's more tender. Toss the bok choy, making sure to coat it evenly in the oil. Season with a little salt and pepper. Then add a few tablespoons of water and cover to steam. Bok choy only takes a few minutes to cook, so be sure to keep an eye on it. You still want it to retain some of its crunch. You can tell if it's done when a knife goes in easily but the leaves are still a vibrant green. Steamed bok choy should be served immediately after cooking. Here it is served with sticky rice and simple Asian trout. But it is such a wonderful vegetable that it would complement many other dishes.